An inverter module is down. No spare parts in sight. The machine must keep running. What now? Your ABB variable frequency drive has multiple parallel inverter modules, but suddenly one fails. The equipment needs to run, but how do you do it safely without risking damage? Stopping production isn't an option, but running without precautions could lead to disaster. Don't panic, I've got the solution. Yes, you can run your drive with fewer inverter modules, but you must take the right steps to keep everything operating smoothly. Let's break it down. Safety first. Isolate the drive, wait for the discharge period, and remove the damaged module. Cooling matters. Clean the drive, replace door filter mats, and confirm cooling fans are working properly. Key parameter adjustments. Update parameter 95.03 to reflect the reduced number of inverter modules. If you originally had 3 and lost 1, set it from 3 to 2. Current limit confirmation. Adjust 20.03 to ensure it remains at 90% or lower of the remaining module's capacity. Ambient temperature monitoring. Parameter 95.10 defines the estimated IGBT temperature based on ambient conditions. If the environment exceeds 40 degrees Celsius, adjust this setting accordingly to prevent overheating. Earth fault protection. Parameter 30.17 should be activated and set to fault to safeguard your system. Want to go the extra mile? Enhance cooling in the substation, and if this motor is controlled via SCADA or DCS, modify the high current limit to trip at 90% of available module capacity for added protection. Don't let a module failure shut down your operation. Take control of the situation the safe way. Oh, and before you go, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with anyone who needs to know this critical information. More expert guidance is coming soon.